Laksh's uncle is a great gardener and this is his orchard. Here he grows mangoes, roses, grapes and cashews. Laksh thinks his uncle's fruits are quite delicious, so he decided to grow the same plants in his garden. But he wondered now if he could grow these plants quickly without compromising the taste of the fruit. His uncle suggested he should grow the plants artificially by using parts of his plants and trees. The process of growing plants artificially is called artificial propagation, but it is not as simple as it sounds. Artificial propagation is a type of vegetative reproduction in which breeding or growing plants is done using parts of the parent plants like stems, roots and leaves. So for roses, Laksh's uncle cut a part of his own rose plant with a bud and told him to fix it into the soil in his garden. This method is called cutting. In this method, a new stem grows from the branch fixed into the soil. This new stem grows into another rose plant. And guess what? Because he used the part of his uncle's rose plant, Laksh's plant will bear roses just as pretty as his uncle's. Next, for those delicious mangoes, Laksh's uncle suggested he should cut small shoots or buds from his plant stem and attach the cut portion to the plant in his garden. This process is known as grafting. The cut portion of the parent plant is called scion and the fixed plant with its roots is called stalk. Even for grapes, his uncle gave him one of his own plants. Laksh wasn't sure what to do with just one plant, so his uncle told him to bend one of its lower branches to the ground and cover it with soil. This process, known as mound layering, leads to the development of new roots. Soon, Laksh will have a whole row of grapevines and a fresh bunch of grapes to taste. This method is similar to cutting, except that here the branch is left attached to the plant. Lastly, for cashews, Laksh's uncle suggested he should remove the bark of a branch from one of his plants, then cover the area with moss or cotton bandage and water it daily. This method is called aerial layering. Laksh should have his cashew plants ready in a few months' time from now. Laksh has now done everything his uncle has asked him to do and is quite excited to see the fruits of his uncle's advice.